Hello everyone, assalamualaikum. Welcome everyone to the Tastique channel. After a long time, I have come back to you again with a new cooking video. First, I will go to my greenhouse to collect some vegetables. These vegetables will be used in today's recipe. There has been a very good yield of many types of chilies in my greenhouse. I am picking quite a few chilies from the plants. Everything is completely fresh, natural, and free from chemicals. All of us should eat food that is free from adulteration, because safe food is extremely necessary for a person to stay healthy. I always try to produce safe food. In just a few minutes, I picked a whole basket of chilies. My cat also came with me to the greenhouse to pick chilies. At the end, I also picked a few lemons, because lemons are very necessary for today's recipe. Now I will go to my kitchen and start cooking. After arranging all the cooking ingredients on one side, I first sharpened my knife with a knife sharpener. The knife has become very sharp. Now I took a chopping board to cut the fish. Today's fish was very fresh. Today I will cook barbecue fish. First I cut and wash the fish properly. Now I will score the skin of the fish with the knife so that the spices can easily go inside the fish. As a result, the flavor spreads throughout the whole fish, not just on the outside. By scoring the fish, heat enters inside quickly, so the fish cooks or grills evenly. The inside cooks properly before the outside gets burned, and it becomes much crispier to eat. Then I will cut several lemons. Lemon juice works as a part of the marinade. As a result, the fish becomes juicier after barbecuing, and it also adds a tangy flavor. It enhances the smoky barbecue flavor. Because of the lemon juice, the flavor of the other spices becomes even stronger. It keeps the fish moist. It helps bring an attractive golden brown color to the fish after cooking. I will coat the fish well with lemon juice for marination. This will remove the extra smell from the fish, and it will taste fresh. Once the lemon juice has been applied well on the fish, now I will add the spices for barbecue cooking. For that, first I will add the required amount of dry chili powder, barbecue spice, salt, mustard oil, and finally barbecue sauce. Then I will marinate the fish very well. For the best taste, after applying the spices, it is usually marinated for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then barbecuing gives the best flavor. Today, the fish has been prepared for barbecue. Now I will barbecue the fish over burning fire. The fish is barbecuing over the burning fire, and a smoky aroma is coming out. Those who love barbecue know that barbecue is a very emotional experience. The fish is sizzling on the fire, and oil is coming out from the fish. Amazing! One side of the fish has been grilled. Now I will turn it over and grill the other side in the same way. After a while, I will brush the marinated spices over the fish again. While barbecuing, repeatedly brushing spices or basting on the fish makes the taste and quality much better. Now, I will finely chop sweet peppers as salad. I had brought these peppers earlier from my greenhouse, only to eat with today's barbecue. I am thinking that when the grilled fish and sweet pepper go into the mouth together, it will feel amazing. I will also cut a lemon. Before eating barbecue fish, squeezing a little fresh lemon juice over it takes the taste to a whole new level. Now I will place the barbecued fish on a serving plate. Just by looking at it, it seems the fish will be very juicy and delicious. The light tanginess of lemon, the smoky flavor, and the wonderful blend of spices make every bite juicier, more aromatic, and more delicious. Now I will sprinkle the chopped sweet peppers over the fish. Every bite of fish with sweet peppers takes the flavor to another level. I will also arrange the lemon slices on top of the fish. Wow! Just looking at this barbecued fish makes my mouth water. The outside has been grilled beautifully. The smoky finish has turned out absolutely perfect. Now I will squeeze some fresh lemon juice over the fish. As soon as the lemon juice touches the grilled fish, an amazing aroma comes out. Now it's time to eat. Believe me, the fish tasted absolutely delicious. With every bite, I felt like I was getting lost in a world of amazing flavors. If you eat fish this way, you'll never get tired of eating it. While I was eating the fish, my cats kept meowing at me. They were waiting for me to give them some fish too. I also gave them some to eat. Look how happily they are eating. They are not just my cats. They are my friends and just like members of my family. I love them very much and they trust me more than anything. That's all for today's video. I will see you again with another new video. Assalamu alaikum.